Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to pin a row or freeze a row on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. First of all, open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. Well, there is two ways or two methods to freeze your rows. The first one is to select your row, and then all we have to do is to right click on it. For example, let's choose the 4, and we will right click on it. It will pop up this menu here. We will go and down, and we will click on the view more row actions choice. Here, as you can see, there is a choice that tells us to freeze up to row 5. As you can see, now my row is pinned. So let's add some text. So whenever I go down, my cells or my row is still pinned or freezed, so it will show up permanently. Now to unfreeze it, all we have is to reverse the operation. We will right click on it like this, and we will click on view more row action, and we will click on unfreeze rows. The second method is also you should select your row, and then all we have to do is to go to this ribbon here, and we will click on the view menu. Here we will find the freeze option. Now we want to freeze up to row 5, so because if you click one row it will choose just this row. We want the 5, so we will go to up to row 5 and we will click on it. Now as you can see, so my row is now freezed or pinned, and I can see it wherever I go down. To undo this operation, we will go to view, freeze, and just click on no rows, and you will have unfreezed your rows. You can do this as well as for the columns by doing the same method, and this is how you pin your rows on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.